Could this be makeup in a Allure bag? Hi everyone, I'm Waigo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Waigo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the September 2021 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so it's official. I've been billed. One more year of the Allure. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I think it's pretty good. Is it the best? No. Is it good for $23? Do you get your money's worth? Yes. Is it heavy on skincare, light on makeup? Yep. Is it good content for my channel? You bet. Alright, let's dive in and see what we got this month and pray it isn't like a big old, sucker, you just renewed for a year, wah wah, kind of a box. Alright, first item, what is this? It's from a brand I'm not familiar with called Alpha, and it is Liquid Gold with glycolic acid. Oh, I don't know what liquid gold is, but I enjoy glycolic acid in my skincare. Ooh, it's a large bottle, very nice packaging, very spa-like, all white, and this is 100 milliliters. That's quite large. Okay, so the back of this packaging says revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. The booklet says that this is like a toner and exfoliator in one. It's the consistency of a toner. You put it on a pad, rub it across your face. I don't know. It sounds magical and fantastic. It retails for, holy cow, $54. And I'm going to assume at 100 milliliters, this is the full price. If not, something will be on the screen. All right. Off to a good start, Allure. Next item. All right, what is this? She's tiny. Is this a chapstick? This is from Oryza Beauty, and it is Velvet Ribbon 07 Opus. That sounds fancy for a lip balm. Could this be makeup in a Allure bag? All right, it has plastic, but I am so curious what this is. So let me get this off, and maybe we will just be stunned that we got some makeup in the Allure bag. I assume this will be full size. If not, the full size lipstick retails for $22.50. Okay, so all that writing was on the plastic. This is clear. Yes. No. Oh my goodness. It like smushed up against the lid and is like way too dark. It is makeup, but I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I'll never use it. But just know, I did not swipe or use it. It's in the top of the lid of the container. Okay. A for effort, Allure. B for bad on color for my fair skin. Alright. I'm being picky. Alright. Next item. Oh my god. So here we have the, from Belif, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. The reason I was chuckling is because this Belif balm you get all the time, and I want to say in Allure you get it a lot. I think it comes in the Ipsy bags, the back in the day the Macy bag. I don't know. Am I mad at this? No. Do we get it a lot? Yes. Oh, wait, this one's slightly different. This one's white and creamy, and the other ones are like gel and like, I want to say blue. Wait, is this an eye cream? Hold on. The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. 10 ml sample. I'm going to look at the card. Nope, just a normal moisturizer. And it could be a gel cream. It just was white, so. Anywho, on to the next item. What is this? We have from Acure Radically Rejuvenating Dual Phase Bakuchiol Serum. Whoa. I just recently undid another box where I got a Bakuchiol serum. This one is, separating. I don't know if they'll pick up on camera. It's like, needs to be shook up. It's half yellow, half, I don't know, it looks like when milk goes bad. Bakuchiol, by the way, is like a natural form of retinol. Let's pray shaking this up helps. All right, now it looks kind of green because yellow and blue makes green. I'm going to read the card on this one as well because I'm curious if that is full size. And also, is that for your whole face or under eye? All right, so it says Acure Radically Rejuvenating Dual Phase Bakuchiol Serum. Full size. Wow, only retails for $19.99, so I guess if I like it, it's very affordable. And since this contains Bakuchiol, a retinol alternative for smoothing skin, softening lines, and minimizing breakouts with less potential for irritation, the editors had great results with it. All right, I'm excited to give this a try. All right, next item. Oh, I have received something from this brand before. This is Kneipp, and this is Mineral Bath Salt Relaxing Lavender. I don't take a lot of baths, and I don't like lavender just about as much as I don't like rose. I'll just put this aside for a future giveaway. I know plenty of people love the bath salts, bath bombs, and just bath products in general. All right, last item. I just saw the name. It says Sunday Riley. What is this? I love Sunday Riley. This is light-hearted, broad-spectrum SPF. Oh, I didn't know Sunday Riley had an SPF. Oh, well, here's the box. Here's the product. It's a little tinier than the box, but that's okay. This is really 40. That doesn't seem like 45 mLs to me. Looks about the size of a foundation, which is 30 ml, but okay. I believe it is safety sealed. I do have numerous SPFs going at the moment, so I will set that aside to use later. Let's see if this is full size and what it retails for. So full size retails for $35. I will look up to find out if this is full size or not, and something will be on the screen. Yeah, so I always sunscreen. You should always sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. I just happen to have 3 sunscreens going at the moment, so I'm going to leave this sealed up so that the efficacy will last longer. All right, let's recap what came in this $23 beauty box. So we got a 30 SPF sunscreen, a mineral bath salt in the scent lavender, a lipstick, a Bakuchiol serum, a moisturizing balm from Belif, and an Alpha H toner exfoliator mystery liquid for your face. What are your thoughts? Yes, I love toner. I love exfoliators. I have millions of these, but I still will use it. SPF, super important for the skin. Retinol and or fake retinols, really good for the skin. Don't like the scent. I don't take baths. And yay for makeup, boo for the shade. But overall, I definitely think I got my money's worth. Let me know. Do you like Allure as much as I do? Are you like, get over it? No. Yeah. It is what it is. It's one of those boxes. It doesn't annoy me so much where I'm going to cancel. Could it be better? Yeah, a little bit. I was excited they actually included some makeup. I was a little bummed. It was a little too dark for me, but that's just personal preference. I'm fair. I don't bode well with dark lip products. But other than that, yes. All right. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon because YouTube lately has not been notifying people. So you may have to unbell it and then rebell, whatever that's called. And then make sure to click the like button. It looks like this. It's located down there. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.